Jaxx Liberty Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Welcome to the Jaxx Liberty Crypto Wallet Review. Before diving in, remember that all relevant links to the products discussed in this video are conveniently provided in the description below. Jaxx Liberty is an all-in-one cryptocurrency wallet designed for users who prioritize simplicity, security, and versatility. Created by Decentral, a leading blockchain company, this wallet is perfect for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts looking to manage multiple cryptocurrencies without the hassle of switching between different platforms. Jaxx Liberty supports over 80 cryptocurrencies, including major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as various ERC20 tokens. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want to keep a diversified portfolio under one roof. One of the standout features of Jaxx Liberty is its user-friendly interface. It's designed to be intuitive with a straightforward setup process, which is ideal for beginners. You can easily track your portfolio, monitor market data, and exchange assets within the app thanks to its integrated shapeshift functionality. Security is always a concern with crypto wallets, and Jaxx Liberty addresses this with a strong emphasis on user control. Your private keys are stored locally on your device, meaning you have complete ownership and control over your funds. Additionally, the wallet uses a 12-word backup seed phrase, allowing you to restore your wallet if your device is lost or damaged. However, it's important to note that Jaxx Liberty does not offer two-factor authentication, which may be a downside for users seeking extra layers of security. Jaxx Liberty is available on multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and even as a Chrome extension, ensuring you can access your funds from virtually any device. The seamless synchronization between devices allows you to manage your portfolio on the go or from the comfort of your home. For those interested in more than just holding and transferring crypto, Jaxx Liberty provides access to blockchain news and market updates directly within the app. This feature helps users stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the crypto world, making it easier to make informed decisions. In summary, Jaxx Liberty is a versatile, user-friendly crypto wallet perfect for those who need a simple yet powerful solution for managing multiple cryptocurrencies. While it excels in ease of use and supports a wide range of digital assets, the lack of advanced security features like two-factor authentication may be a concern for some. If you prioritize convenience and control over your private keys, Jaxx Liberty is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and to download the wallet.